Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a table side by side on the Google Docs by using a particular method. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the table side by side? You just click on the insert option first and click on the table, and now insert 2 into 1 table here. Now you just need to click on the insert option here, and before creating an insert option, just right click this, click here and right click it. You can have a table properties. Now you just need to change the table border color to white. Now the table is actually here, but I changed the border color to white so it's mingled with the background color. So now you just click here. You can see here is a table cell, here is a table cell. You can, if you selecting this, you can see the table here. Now click on inside the table cell, click on insert option and click on the table here. I just inserted a table here. Now I just want to, you want to select the next cell here, the another cell here. You can just select it and you can see the cell where it's present here on the screen, and click on the table option here and you can just insert another table here. So by this option you can insert a table side by side by using this particular option. You just need to insert a table 2 into 1 and insert the table inside the table and change the table border color to white. You can now use the table side by side in Google Docs. This is a simple easy method, simplified method to insert the table side by side. I think this video very useful to you. If it is very useful, share this video with your friends and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Google Docs, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.